is we are on the tail end of this weather action day as our winds are dying down, but boy was it dramatic today with winds around 70 to 100 miles an hour across the Front Range and the Eastern Plains. Right now we have 6-mile-an-hour winds at DIA, 10 for Parker, 25 for Castle Rock, 25 for Broomfield, and about the same across the Eastern Plains. A little stronger in Akron at 45 miles an hour. But earlier today we had 70-mile-an-hour gusts in Arvada, 79 miles an hour for the city of Loveland, 80 for Genesee, 84 for Broomfield, all the way up to 95-mile-an-hour winds for the White Ranch open space off to our west. Now tonight those winds will continue to die down, still breezy across the Front Range, but we'll have 34 degrees by 7 p.m., 32 degrees by 9 p.m., and 29 degrees by 11 p.m. Now our weather headlines include those winds dying down tonight, sunny and dry weather tomorrow, much more comfortable outside with all that wind. We have a really nice weekend in store as well with temperatures in the 50s. Right now it's 39 degrees downtown, 33 at DIA, and we have 37 for Highlands Ranch with temperatures in the single digits and teens off to our west into the higher elevations. Still a winter weather advisory for a few more hours here for our northern and central mountains. Few flakes still coming on in. A high wind warning has now been relegated just to the extreme Eastern Plains. This will expire in a few more hours as well. This high wind warning covered all of eastern Colorado earlier today, and now we're shrinking that down. The air quality warning also will expire in a few hours. This was for all the blowing dust we experienced across the eastern half of the state today, and also the high fire danger winding down as well, now only for the Eastern Plains. Now this front has made its way all the way into the Midwest. We have tornado and severe thunderstorm watches in effect for multiple states here. Looks like it will be a rough evening with severe weather through these areas tonight. Thanks to that front, it's very powerful. As for our temperatures tonight, for the rest of the evening here in Denver, we'll be down to 30 degrees by midnight with those overnight lows in the 20s tonight. Partly cloudy skies here for Denver with a lot less wind, and temperatures in the 20s by tomorrow morning. We'll have single digits and teens off to the west. A chilly 3 below for Gunnison tomorrow morning, but lots of sunshine expected here in Denver tomorrow. 44 by 11 a.m., 50 degrees by 1 p.m. That'll be our afternoon high for the day. Mostly sunny skies. We'll have 40s and 50s here for the eastern half of the state. A little warmer toward La Junta and Pueblo, and 30s up in the high country. Now we do have another front. Pretty weak though, but it'll bring some snow into the northern and central mountains as we head into Thursday night and early Friday. It will remain dry here for the Front Range and the Eastern Plains as we go through the next couple of days. As for the snowfall total amounts, just a couple of inches headed our way with this system. Now on our Super 7-day forecast, we'll be at 50 degrees tomorrow, 43 on Friday, up to 50 on Saturday. It'll be sunny and milder, and you can see that the ski forecast looks good. Temperatures in the 30s Saturday and Sunday, with lots of sunshine, and 57 on Sunday. Beautiful football weather for the Bronco game against the Bengals. 55 at kickoff, 47 late in the fourth quarter, and we'll have temperatures in the 50s as we get into the beginning of next week.